Today we are going to watch Venus through 50 double acrobat homemade telescope. This is 50 double acrobat objective lens, and this is my setup. This is my phone holder, and I'm using 25 wide angle eyepiece, which gives the focus, or we say the zoom of 28x. And I'm not going to touch it because it gets shaken, so I'm going to use this joystick. This is the joystick. This is the Bluetooth controller we can use for controlling. See, okay guys, see on the phone. So I can use it to click the burst images. So our motto is to click as many images of the Venus day through our telescope, and then we'll put all those images for the stacking, and then we'll wait for the final results. So let's aim our telescope at Venus. Venus in focus. Let's put it on our phone focus, then let's click some best images. Yeah, the Venus is in our focus now. Let's stay away from the setup and click multiple images for the best results. Okay, let's start clicking the first images. Oh, the Venus is running out very fast. Let's put it in focus. Okay, and let's take burst images.
Just wish he knew.